Hold on, get on a guy. Before they were welcomed, where am I welcomed at? Get on a guy. Nakina kauze no fela muvuleni masambo nyinge. Ase nashere mwana. Asepanga mujando. Yeah, ajiri kimano ile kama kwa washalana. That's the reason why must to live as a The reason why do mena. When I get to more and I begin to share everybody. Hello, everybody. Is everybody good in their body? Guess who was it? Are you feeling alright in your body right now? Do we have how many percentage of chemically of balanced bodies do we have? So guess what's on the so the show on the insurance they have been drugged by chemicals. Chemical we put a control where we are engineering and I don't let it come out. Hello, Mama. How are you? Yeah, what are you too much of like what about root there? You want to go to about the brain? No. I'm chief over the brain of routine, yeah, that's one there, the intermediate sagare. Marawa routine. Oh, oh, Ragamato, Mamorakani bread and finish and club. Lenano Kuka and the Chiboka or Regawan and Lamurakela all the time. Canaluka Samago and all Regamua. Hello, everybody, how are you? To don't come around here, so I'm here to do comedy, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a comedian from the Crazy Entertainers. Kishorli Ansema, I get it. You hope and I fell out. I'm not here for the whole night, Mara. I'm here to entertain you for some time. And Regasano Kirgasabere again. Ergasabere Gishani, Lena dos Sepilamo, Kawaka sitting Yemerquak, Agere. Lilenama Kwakavar are not funny, Agere. Honey, it is us disturbing each other, Agere. Hopelao Mukali me one Mukhouse in way. Hell, one of Garai joy. Hasna skill is a woodwella, Mukhaleme. Na, I got a loud performer, but one of a performer. Kick a two performer, that you woodwella. I get it. Hello, you can be better than me, then it's okay. But you remember, Ruto from my age, it's a jamma. Hello, keep quiet and listen to what I have to say because it's fucking funny. I get it. Eric and Lisa fucking is fun. Now, Lenana, my twins already decided. Did you decide to come out today? Like I feel like in my tall straight. And it's good like that. It is good when you know yourself, but I'm the maga. Tell the Zema, I was on loads of Makamutomu. I know me and I know how I grew up. Nagampuru today. Nagasen you may go high or give you a never. Now, Papa can the soul and drama told me, no, I let me. And I must show I carry to Ali every time. I got to be made in Miriam and Kama. Why? Never. It got a little one out Jaco A1 for the whole year, but we may not care in that year. Never. Papa come a little bit to my family. Ko A1 rage for the whole year and a rage a strategy. I will lie. Release I have fit. I'm house to live the whole year. Rapia will the whole year. I live and life it. We come now, we room as long as this and one. All other than let's share. Sister was to see you. And it is exactly the way but woman discipline. Now, what you go. When you have discipline, you will understand that there's a time to say, I have enough. I get it. Yeah, o ka se re mola o tailwe wa re nna ka re ke tailwe e re ke rekele jang. Never. For who? For why? Na papa ka o rutile budget batho ba modimo. Monola o rutile o budget. They make sure o re tseba o budget. Ko hae be re le ba bantši. Be re le kana le lena so. Mara le bana ba mmao mo one le papa o mo one. Yeah, papa ka ke le sole. They make sure ha buile hae for 6 months. O dia bana ba 6. Before boela morao for another 6 months. And o ka mbutša o re wang. O make sure like this permit tša mono ba be dangerous. They are going to save. I bet you one of them this month. One of them, I'm preparing another month. Yeah, this is going to 6 months. Mama Molaru, like this, she go pregnant. She's still pregnant for another 6 months. Each and every month, she gives baby to another one. And all I need. Monola be itse ba budget ha khona budget ka bana e butse ka tšhelete o khona o make sure gore I in my bank called a woman inside that savings account called the womb. I've got 6 kids. Mara, they are not allocated to come in the same month. They are allocated to come in the next 6 months when I'm away. Taking war for another 6 months, it's pregnancy again. Mama has no chance. That's why religion is not so. Indian was a refugee family, not why a refugee community. I also have a video of a family religion of a comrade. Another comrade last ball. I'm a wild thing. Ugaraman lane. Mununa ni muragilan to cheza. They are not to Mununa. Mununa they are not. They are small Meragoko Verekadu. Utom for 1 million rand after 60 years. Yes, I have the million, but I cannot use it. So he made sure he has condoms, but he never uses them. Only to prevent Tamayete. I told him, one of the two, one of the guy and wet. One of the guy. Okay? If you kill a go, go, 570. Yeah, that's why. One 570, just 570. How much is that? 70 hours. Ira pay your papa for the next 3 years. As a rate. What people say, Munolas Mamaja to get name. Pay ya Sanga Yaragel, and the reaper again. You know, I want to have a house as a war haul away. Over a giga. Kika, what would you know? Muna. For a fact, you have to get the Masuwa. I got it because of the Kenya House and Taylor. It's similar because I was forced. He made sure education is an alliance. And give me a papa, give a kilo move and right. This one away. Can Berusco Taikimara Sisa Kurbecha Taloai. When I get one or sister to a legitimate. Auna is silo molim. Kamu mukoroto garuts in your toilet and wava. Urasa upana microphone non chang voice kuli pikare. O dangerous. I'm just saying, get a joy namu. Eurasa over done now Nago J. Mona, get less who by force. Salakari kilogos column once Hagisawola teacher are now Wujishan now Monor the Marutas Huagas Pedi again than a will. Leonova Lutas Huagas as still school. be ke mo thema all the time ha tsena fela ke re excuse me ile yena so juro a excuse rena nna ke excuse yena pe era re wena o leng excuse me come and excuse me here ke mo ke kwileng all right ke ra lokela gae mo a ke sa ya go higher leveleng ke ra lokela mo o re monna o re a ke re o itia ka re o tseba sekgowa wena mphe mantšu a ma 5 a o thoma ka C ka bolela mare before ke boletse mantswe yale before ke bolela ka action fe be ke feditse ka mantswe a ma 5 a o thoma ka C mare ke a bethile ka action e seng ka o bolela ke emeletse ka confidence ka mo confront ka mo complicate ka mo confuse a fetsa ka mo corrupt at same time a nagana o tshwana le nna ile ra se ke bolela ile mola ke ile bolela ka concubine a confrontation a communication a consumption ka fetsa ka condom ke a tsela wa e rata ene bile wa e berekisha mo wa ka se rana mo ban betala matsoga mo classe yena o palla go betha matsoga re ke mo file 10 answers before saying anything Armona all right do lokile re o itiatle ba ke re o nana ka ba rotse ba sekgowa go phala bana ba ba mphe a mangwe a ma 5 a o thoma ka D ka re mo ena ka re ma'am I'm dangerous when coming to that don't tell me about that ka re denominator ka re diagonal ka re dangerous ka thoma o fella ka re a ona lo a tseba more ke sekgowa o rwa se šalang e thoma ka D ba mpethela matsogo jale mme mola o thoma o tlala pelua o bona o ke ba re ke mo expose mo baneng ba ba a re monna re all right ka re o itiatleba we this time mphe a ma 10 a o thoma ka X ke re moena ke re ma'am wa tseba wena a re ke botsisitse wena ka re no like on the contrary wa tseba wena na o re monna o re motho a modimo wena o tsebang sekgowa ke re ka re okay no for the sake of argument ke re bolela re for argument's sake let me just say something to this woman ke mo khotsofatsa ka re moena ka re di makatso ke lentswe la ka la mathomo la o thoma ka X a re wa ya ka di makatso e thoma ka D ka re le wena wa ya ka mem di makatso ke ex girlfriend ya ka ya so ke ona ex ya mathomo ya o e nyakang eo from mo yona yela ya ex girlfriend go ya kwa a gona le ka le one le le thomang ka X a le go a sounda fela o ka re a thoma ka yona mara a thomi ka yona ka re extra ka re exclamation ka re expand ka re expandable ka re expandable part 2 ke bone go TV a o no ra ka mmanisha le wa mbo wa tswa bobedi re ka mmotsisha ka thoma o felwa ke tla mo 5 wa le go tloa mo ya kwa a ke sana ka tla ke plan ene plan yela e fele ka re mo ena ka re extension 1 extension 2 extension 3 extension 4 a wa tse o ile extension 3 tao ka mo di muka bo yo nga se fetše nka ya bolela the whole night ke mo ngwe wa tsara ke sometimes o bo bulo how share mara ke so ma serious no ke so and then, like come to think of it when I let music go lang ka mo tlogong ya mollo he still dancing ke so ba fu ni le nale ka bona ka ba hempe di ka mo re ha bo ga wa hidisha o ga re go di room re bona hempe I understand you all go drop a whole lot of wrong with you? As much as I know you are enjoying yourself, I am enjoying myself, not self. And why am I saying so? I've got 90% of male people except women. Why can't I remember in so much detail? Oh, but Basadi Abao. Now, me reate jola. Or a pay. Oh, this is it. All right, yeah, that's why but it can make and break relationships. When it's there, it makes them. When it's not, it breaks them. I share. And only for the sake of my. What can get it to one up? Morning, more than more. Hello, unanuma 6 months, Usanayo. Uturgi HSP. You have got the highest spend pressure ever. Sure, guys. Ah, boy. Much appreciated, big man. So thank you, man. I'm sorry. Again, give me still on one. But we don't pack a bench what is for you. I get a matter by a time keeping man. Thank you very much appreciated. I don't measure my tomato. As a man, ma. Bon, the care pocket of my tenant, gentlemen, or starting to go to Yagaha, Periawana. The Cherokee. Would not say my way. Oh, young Woody, number one, Alala. Looking at the call, don't know. Kanaluga Mata, you are also appreciated. Thank you very much, my good comrade.
Thank you.
Oh, here comes the bigger number. Now we say God is good all the time. Honey, manzoya difference. Wow, it's nice, man. Kopela remetelen namazo for once. Kalaju kopela la Muna, I appreciate. I take everything. Thank you very much, my good brother. Swawara, that's unyaji. Until umpayon. I agree for that. You are a good person. Thank you very much, guys. Much appreciated. Let me continue with the set. Anyway, I see the fate. But anybody who wants to appreciate me, you are most welcome. I get it. Come down here and put a say, just to say, I cannot out loudly say I appreciate you, but I can just, by this little, you are much appreciated. I appreciate you too. I get it. Can you live over somebody? Kuna niko shemweke ragabu lazwa. Ko shaila. Mare ki joko ya hao ibu bebe. Marnaki na leaga sing joko ya hao. Ibu bebe ye kinanliwa. Oh, thank you very much. You see, people who appreciate you will never show you how. Anyway, it's still the way of appreciation. I get it. I remember he did something like killing me. This motherfucker. Thank you, Mata. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to get to a anyway, thank you very much. Over. Yeah, no number one near la samba. House of warrior. Upload or Bujer. How you can go to Guatemala, how got to my caress. I know fish. What's that? Oh. What's wrong with you? To be honest with you guys, everything to remember, I get all over just told. Kile kabembu pironki jola levaninya na baba inchi reagwan. There's only one kind ya baninya neki sairati. Baninya na ona koto. Na usona lumfa na mjorumu. Kaipi ya maje. Akirati matuba. Eva. Utaipunja waile mama koroto. Manakada na mukausu. Muna. Nale ke sa re ke a mo firia batho ba Modimo. Lengwe le ngwishishi. Again. I want you to attentively listen to what I'm going to say now. Kauri is my life true story. Again. Ka kopana le ngwana ya mo. Batho ba Modimo. Ke thomile nna kwa ka mathomo mo bophelong. Be ke le doctor. Nobody can believe that. Yes, I know. Ngile ka be ke le doctor. Man read ranger. Yeah. Kaswari. Kanya ka mmereko mongwe o le mo kgausi le mo doctor. Ka ba the first male nurse. Man read ranger. Ka tsoma o kwata wa. I make a wuche kamla wala wore. How can government? You have got the best job ever. Miracle government only benefits. That's what I know. You can get paid even when you are not going to work. That's what I know about the government. Again, or my son, if you don't find work, good government day, you are as much as a failure like anybody else. But I realized there are millions of millionaires that never went to school. Again, I'm gonna choose my own way. Kabara madumbu. Kimmel kwa government. Akitwa kiboni kimangu bora madumbu. Maraban retrench la ngamo. Katoma ukwatela retrenchment wa. Kayo ya kamero goes and retrenchment. Eno na. Marokong wa. Kimu kiu mashe. Kama kiu mashe. Oni kiu mashe la baka suntu. Shakero ipei. Mu ipei ha kusi. Kaya ka ipei kwa. Katoma the whole laya every day. I used to make 500 rands in a day. In a week, get 2.5. They get check out whole palak venture. Venture is a chicken. Oh, now I have venture. There is a melina. Market high every day. Kilo Katadikolo Java. Just to show you an example of who you can truly be. Again, from Honamo, in like a busy, get Katadikolo Java. What a one young woman. Who so to the house also. So I go and I'm all on my. I'm enforcing it. Hello, Beso and Uncle from now. Yeah, hello, Melega Lukisha. No, I look one law fan. I am one. Solo San Luca come for lower. My guys, what happened is what miracle Mola will kill Mashelola. Katikela Mania. Kimurata Mania, Kimurati Asaka, Kim Mo. Kalesa Koloye make cat. Yeah, bring you all star, just pure white, marabelli pure brown. Hey, little chilayo. One yanola, how about you, Melan? Pinway, where I go so shanguvi. Irmonere, Bafan. Riangen. Young way go my when. Irmonere, look at you now. And tell me, will you be that person that you say you're gonna be to that woman? Kitoma wale peluje peni same time. Maraka chuza ya bukas. Karaoja mutena. Ila kama hadi plastiki changane. Kilemele chini kef. Mutuma uchere kefa yumwe. Lewa ulana lewa wana so. Uganta ba moria so. Upala lugu waya kuma felo ngane raula. Ha to sonela ubichani choni. Dudo mwaya la raule. Jana ipagile ba. Ha tama ya Muslim. Uto shani chila. Abacho kuhira ba tuwa ukuloma. Eu fita yana everything iba skulu va. Hare kamola raule la va. Ipambiri kamkani Muna karuunga semulesu. Air na ruwa fit afena karo one step in, yung way one step out. mara ya go kasi ya re 2 steps in are 1 2 ka pelenya ke re say my sister le go khopela tshwarisa plastic are monna re tu batho waiting look at no mpona a kitse gore ka moara plastic yela gona le ile a fetsa o e bea mo fase ke re ke a ikuka ya palla go yena no go mo le motho he ke lebella ka mo plasticing ka mola 5 packet ya di tiles na hana 5 packet ki mela di 2 3 4 5 ka la mo bedika ya parla go ya maha peluela ya go so sanguve ir monna ir ba fanas heluru o parla go rwala plastiki so mara levala le ka 0 ya di phone number tsa ngwanyana wo nna ke nyaka fela di phone number ke so o renga ke la phone number wo kwa ka mara a ke na matla o renga motsa o re ke a o rata effectively wanyana la o re monna re ya pala pilela go ka zero ho pala kara o pale zero ka tshwara plastic ela kara ka matla ale a mafelelwa ka e re nna ya yemella ke nnamola ke lwa le yo he ke fika go pele mo peki wanyana la o ntsha dikhia a re mama kwa tshumana vara ye ya semanje manje ye re pa ke re we ke go le ya mange a bathong ke a ka kante o ntse a le a ke rai wena ke hao o lo mo korotoro ya no ka reka go le yo ba o ba na ga wena a re ke ba ka go Department of Arts and Culture and Travel and Tourism ke re wa utlwa ka occupation o re selo se sa hola a ke sana matla o nganga wa ke re moena ke re no it's fine I no problem ke di bie ka di plastic tse a ina metse ka mo morao ke lwa le casos. For the sake of the phone number. Moli ma ve. Eki me sake le. Hey sister. Na kopela di phone number. Ke ka o phone la mankabe. Ke la pese ke pla. Ore monna o tu batho. Ho nya ka di phone number. Danong o rawe di plastic yo ne bi mai. Yo folo sa ke bang kopele. Kopele. Usa kali kopele kwariang. Karaos kwa wara kopele ke kai folosa. As long as you can push. Thank you madam. Thank you very much. Oban but wa gona wona nga. A wa tlisha selo. O tlisitse nature. O tlisitse bophelo ba fa. O ba tsala matsawa nja. Abash. Thank you very much my good sir. Ye re ke be mo. Safety is security. What family ke sale mo tabeng mona ngwani ya lola he ke fetsa go ya plastic ela ka mo morao untimani namba umpotsa go folo sa plastic kope ke tsana ka mo kolo iwane ke ready gore ke e kope a ke tsana ka mola ke lantlha ke namela nava ke lantlha ke bona kolo ye motso so ke tshwara dipili mo ka tsentsa loto ka hata clutch ka hata brake kare accelerator ka ipinyela nyana ka jambisa loto ka tshwara gere ka tshwara driver wa ka mbutsisha ngo mmoja re ke rate go lo yela a ona ntwa o re ile senting ke gate ka mo ke gatile every day ke ba ka re he mona ke I drove that shit I drove that car mani nyama la wantse o ngisha sante ke lanka ke tsena ka sante he ke fika ka go sante gate la gela e lo wa yema fela e bile before yema wa seleka nyana ha seleka rna gate e wa re tsena ka mola ke lebella mo morao ke nyana le motho a butsing gate ke rena re ke na butsing gate a re ke remote ke go ka yena a ke mmone remote na anyway au mona kana we tswere bona wani ya ngola onna ka mo e double story house a ke tsene nnante na ke twa e ke mikuku ya bosusa nguvu double story house ke re mo ena ke re onna kae ka mo ntlong e a re no nna ke nna ka mo tsona tsotlhe ke ya ka ntlo yotlhe ke re ya mo fatshe le ya godimo a re eya batho heba ngwanyano ke re ai wena ntlo o e bereka ntshwantse o lebele gore ke e golo wena na o bereke mmereko o dingwa o bereka ge re tsena ka mola ke bea plastiki mo kitchen o re monna o re khomela o nkemele mo sitting room I'm going to change for 5 minutes sitting room ko e tsia ka ina ke nna mola ke sa enya e rile ke tsena ka mo roomong ye nngwe e tshwana le kitchen yere ke kitchen mara se di a tshwana nna ke nyaka plastiki ele ke e beile na ke e bone ke re batho ba modimo e ke pota ka kwa e ke jika ke kitchen yela gape ye ke tseneng ko yo ke bona plastiki wa ke sure ka boela morago ka namelela ka steps ha one steps sena o namelela ha one ke sitting room ka mo ke dining room ka mo ene le ka mo dining room ya bona ba na le TV mara a di lekane ye ya ka mo sitting room ke plasma ya ka go dining room ke minus ma ke nyane mo ye ya ka mo a ke so gore ke ya ka mo or ke ya ka mo nna go haere jela le go kamoreng a gona dining room a gona sitting room ka mo pelong ke re he o ke bo wa tsena ka mo romo nyele ba fa ka re wa right e re ke tsene ka mo gotlhe ka hata one step ka mo ka hata one step ka mo ka ema so wale haitla o tla monna o mpontsha direction the same time a re tšo batho ke re o ka mo sitting room ka ga wa ke tsene swa wa re ke ka mo teng I'm one step away ka fitla mo ke dula fase ke lebelela TV he ke lebeletse TV ngwanyana lo lebeletse nna yena a lebelela TV nna ke mmona ka eyesight ke nyaka di phone number upila in a way ya o ka se kunyake same time tshwanetse go kry di phone number pele gore he o ke bo wa re I love you a re tšošan o le malabulabuso o kgone go fota wa dropa phone mara o ka mmotsa one on one o ka se loke never ke re mo ena ke ra o swa wa ra ke ka o botsa ka phone a re bolela kante pila o nyako e re ke tla o botsa ka phone khopela di phone number o re monna o tšo batho he o nyaka o tsamaya gona kanong ba no ngora gore nna ko robala ke le one ka mo ntlong e kana he batho ba modimo ke re lano bothata ba o robala ke le one ke a re tšo wa itse nna ke na le allergy ya gore ke robale ke le one ka mo ntlong go na le motho o na le allergy a all right go lokile he nna a ke sa o boledisa ka gore every time e ke nyaka o ya gae wena a o nyaka no o betha ka tone or ka action ha bolela ke berekisa tone or ke berekisa action fela tone ke tšeletša bo ke tone tšeo di action ke tšeletša bo o bontšha gore tshware ke boroko ba ile immediately had the 10 o'clock ka metsa ka action ya boroko o re monna gore shemo o tshwane ke boroko ke re a re all right o rata o itia ka re o tseba segoa ande sa moroba le ena a re okay namelela di-steps tse dingwe the second left on your door o tsene ka mo teng iyo second left on my door ke tšhaba o mo correcta ka gore ke 10 ha ka nkuba ko yana ka re ke hwele ka mo pelong ka as long as nna ke kwešiša gore the second door on your left ka namela di-steps ka tsena ka mo kamoreng e ke fitlha ka mo kamoreng ya gona ntho ngwe le ngwe ke tshweu mone from ka mmetse mofatshe mo motshweu mabota ke a matshweu go dropo ke e tshweu ke nna fela be ke di ya color blocking ile ke seno tsena ka morebe ya tšhentšha ya ba white and me ke re ke a lebela di all star tšela ke tše browno ke a tsena mola ke kgatlhile ke botshweu ile he ke lebelela ko morago kwa ke tseneng di all star tšela di ka di tse metlhala mo mmetseng o motshweng ya ke tšea lesela ka mo wardrobe ke no bula fela ga tšea lesela ge ke phumolang metlhala ye ke tlhokotse dieta ke di šile kwa ko kgauswi le wardrobe ke phumula metlhala yena ya dieta ge ke jika ke lebelela gape ko wardrobe maoto a ka a wes a phaga dieta a ke sa tseba gore ke phumule wauale ke khulame ka mangwele ka mo kaboreng ya ngwana a batho ke sa phumulala le metlhala a maoto le ya dieta kwa ile mola ke re ke a phumula after 20 minutes ya go phumula ke bula wardrobe ela la mafelelo wale ke nyakana le lešela le leo gane ka mo ke bula ke shawara naka go na le bedroom le bathroom ya nngwe gape ka mo garae a wardrobe ka re neba ntlo mosadi o e na le boloi ge ke tsena ka kwa shawara ya gona a ke kgone o e berekiša ke re e re ke tlhape maoto a o nkga go na le pompo e tee e dutse so ye ba re ke tibo le a ke se ratiwang selo seo e o e kwala ka mo e ntšha metsi a o tone e o e iša ka mo e ntšha metsi a o fiša nna ke e kry-ile e le gana ka mo metsing a o tone a ke tsebo re ya ka mo nkile wa kgagwa ka metsi a o tonya go tonya a o goga moya ko nyaka ba re o se dotla jwang le jwang irile fela ke tsena ka mošaware ke go ka buanyana ka iša loto fela metsi a la sa tonya wa the only thing I did go tlhapa fela pleke ye botlhokwa irile ke fetša ka tšepedi tšeo ka tsena mo dimampete ka tlhaba mankokwane ya ko sošankuve pa after 30 minutes ke kwa di-footsteps di namela di-steps ka mo pelong yaka ke a ipotšiša ke re if it's not that girl it must be that girl a gona o mongwe gape ke nna le yena ka mo ntlong ka mo ge lo ga se yena go ra gore ke yena ene ka nnete be e le ena ga kokota mo monyako ke mmetša ka thou a re mama ka re a re ke tsane ka re a tsena ye ga fitlha ka mola re ke wa itse ka mokgo ke o boditse gore ke na le allergy ya gore bana go na le motho ka mo ntlong ne ke ra gore a ke kgone le bana ke le one ka re pelo ele ya ko social e re ga bašwe yele ya makgowa e le re you gonna do it right ka re fuck off makgowa kue ile fela ga tsena ka mo dikobong a jika a ntebelela o lebelela ka mo nna ke lebeletse kwa a ka mo lebelela a ke na plan ya o mo lebelela ke mmetšha ka action ya o mo lebelela wa ke lebeletse kwa ke tlhabile manko kwa se ntebeletse ka ka tshwara khefanyana tshwana le yone irile mola e botša ka re ke feletse kare ka loto ka re ka mohaka ka mo a nana ka re o fedile ka re e ka o wela mo dimagage straight press work ka mo pompa from ka 11 o'clock go fitlha ka 6 o'clock ya fro non-stop ka pace ya one a re ke ka re di are 3 hours of a ke fologe ke lono ruta di a re tswelela ile mola ke re 5 minutes to 6 ka thoma o oketša speedinya ya ba irile mola o setse 3 seconds ka re di a re 0 a wa fetša o lapela gore ke kore ke mmerekile ke kwile ka thoune ela land 10 minutes after you have done everything. Sebeile kawanya na sona mo. Kamo pelong ke ate praise agara ke ta o molaya yo swine flu. Kino go fela wala. Sis ben things are asin na batongkeo na ngariya. That's a good job I did. I did a very good job right there. Muna. If the muna kisarumuna, I did a good job. Kiwa wala bela gumunya ko pa. Ufa suko downstairs. King. Kitu shaw. Beles. Una lomo tu gumunya ko. Si azuwa mola uzuwa wakiti maimile shule. Oya bawa kere na. Archuwa tu muna kawe. Muna how wa. Wa usambuja ka muna how maban. Archuwa tu unchamile tata. Nagi mulibet. Ulibet muna how. Wala nagi bareke wangina. Are munare. Negi kupela uwe arkeli waka. Can I trap you in my closet? What the hell? Trap her. Hello, that's a triple low. Or no, don't worry. He's leaving in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Passager gown where you could so. If you can go and a gown yella. Get white. Problem in the panta lion. Kill. Irlegi tena kamwara wardrobe kamol. Hats on la wardrobe. Le panta lela. La shalla kamon tlega. Lancha bukini. Oriki korgi tene kamola penilele wrong. Kana ko ye wrong. Ene go hwali hulele wrong. Ke kwena fela ka accent. Ya dima. Hata ina fela go faso. Kino go fela dima gato. Where have you been? I've been knocking for 4 years oh. Where have you been oh? Carry number we kitene kamwa oh. Ka koma utia se hwasela. Ka se translate la to Sepedi same time. Ke go tshaba dimbale swa. Ke yo ke hwile o. Ngele ntishe mo. Ka mo ha o, swanje ke tswe o. Ba fight. Monnola wale Nigerian o tla straight ka mo kamoreng ye ke leng ka mo yone. Ke mo lebele ka mo so ba kia. Ha le go gole kwa ke gona o bona the whole person, the full body. O eme mo nya o busy o toloka le dimakatso. Why have I been knocking? You are not opening. Dimakatso no baby I was busy. Okay, it's fine. O no tshwana fela hempe o e tshwara. A ere kuku. Dikunu biteka kudu ya wena kwa. Ha khurupula mona. Mafatlagane. Wo so 6 pack. O ka re so ya 300 ba e pakile. Hanchintshimo ba e busele tangata. Monola o tla o ba tumela mo dropo. O bona le banda le khibidulela. Are mo di magatswa give me my gown. Yo, ke nna ka mo dropo nka my gown. Ka mo pelong ke is it my gown? Ke thomo ba. Ke ne bele ka mo solo ora. Monola wa ba tumela marinya lola. O zama o dia excuse ya na mo. I don't know, baby. Slip in your bigoties. You're looking good in them. But metaka klapa. You won. You go Nigeria. It was the first time you won Mpama. You go Nigeria. You go to Chileke. Sawela o limo unforgettable. Wa ka o to te latela gauni. The more amatumela is the more fukuche. How you go gole kwa? Ke bona 6 pack le mafat. How amatumela ke tomo bona 6 pack fair. Hi, vayana mo khauze ke bona 4 pack. Ila ba dumela bo ka bona 2 pack. Dear ma, I'm on my way. Please open doors for me. Monela a lokela khiela a bula le batila o dropo o kreya moshimana go so shanguve ka mo ara di gaono tsa gage ke tshaba no I'm sorry but what did you do kore ka mo pelong ke re bolaya braya once I won't start bra once mara ka mo are na mmele ke mo ke ra bolaya monnola ke ga tella ke manager yo ga tello umo o ndere to so or monaro who are you on khokham or who are you ham khokha ke busy le who are you I'm sorry but I cannot say it out loud. I get what are you doing here? To someone we can ask her. She does not know. I guess I tell her to ring mo al Nigerian. Hona mo di makhoya gam. I'm just too. I'm trying to say I'm just so mal par I'm jealous. I be as a single. Says a musical. Can I call who let do to Kona Wanchi if who for go come ring a corner this door? Who let do it's me against him and nobody is saying anything. I cannot want to warranty referee while going, whoa, the fight is over. That's why the Mopiluga made the freezer out of Pola for. Are Diamond, how pula trigger gum? Kia qua bullety, hey qua come. Lia Gaboy, hey qua come, Kia qua. Even a fella head bullety in coma. Lia Gamwe, being coma gamu. Koyakas and during or Placo. Kayona Koyona you. Hanikina went Magabe and to shout game go. Yeah. Yeah, now thank you for the movie law. Yes, yes. Out of the whole thing. Kaneka too. Sure, I wish another wish. Do you wish you give a good wheel, Marabaf? Or I don't wish I'll give a good wheel. Do you really wish you ring a good wheel? At least at the end of everything, I'm still here. How? I am still alive. Yeah. And then woman, I'm still alive. When I saw him, never wish I got a gal for a story. Then a story, and you just story. You just did not listen. Then when I get sure, Honga only seen on modern nights. But that's 216. Now no choco says only Pilayanos. We can't get Gamaremon at the Mopugana. Only spoke was out bar.